These will be the first thing gone to any summer barbecue you bring them to. These are vanilla bourbon barbecue ribs, and they are seriously to die for. Just cut up some baby back ribs into individual pieces and boil them for about an hour until they are nice and tender, and then you're going to be able to throw them on the grill. But make your own barbecue sauce. It's really easy. You probably have most of the ingredients. You're just going to add them all to a pot, let it simmer for about 10 minutes, and then at the end, what is really going to give this barbecue a awesome summer flavor is a touch of Simply Organic Madagascar vanilla extract. I know a lot of people don't use this in savory sauces or marinades, but it adds the perfect flavor to this barbecue sauce. I throw the sauce on my ribs and throw them on the grill till they are nice and caramelized. Always choose Simply Organic for the best tasting vanilla extract, and if you guys try it, let me know what you think.